Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Hans. I hope you all are having a great time. This morning I woke up and I didn't feel like really motivated to work out today because of the weather. Sometimes it is grey and get a little bit depressed, but then I said no, we have to go and do it, because right now we are all in the lockdown position and everybody is like in a similar situation, and it's good to keep ourselves in good shape and healthy, because we all are hoping for good days to come back. And when good days will come back, we don't have to be in bad shape, so we have to stay in good shape to keep enjoying the good things that we used to do, and keep doing everything that moves us towards our goals and destination. And today, like I said in a previous video, that in order to start your workout, just to get on a fitness routine, even if you have not done any workout since years, it doesn't matter, because the body is always adaptable, adapts to new changes. And to get started, animal walks are really good to start with, because you don't have to go to a gym to do those animal walks. And right now, in this situation where all the gyms are closed here in Canada, and I suppose in many parts of the world also gyms are closed, because too much of gathering can spread the virus like at a more exponential rate. So you can do it at the convenience of your house. Just make some space in your living room, move your furniture around, and just start going. And before I start doing the animal walk, I will just do a little bit of stretching. I will stretch my shoulders. I got my ring set up here, so I will just play around with it, go around. It's very important to stretch your shoulders especially when you are doing those animal walks, because you use a lot of your shoulder muscles and biceps, triceps to get you going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is good. You can do more if you want. Right now I'll just do 5. I won't exhaust myself with stretching. Just really good. Going to straddle. Okay, this is good. Just for relaxing the muscles, like getting a bit loose. And then you can just do some planks. Like just adjust this a little bit here. If you want to do planks, to begin with, just put both of your hands down on the floor or on the grass, and remember your body has to be in a straight line. I'm not rounding my back, neither am I bending just to compensate, because when you bend, you are not putting enough effort. It's easy, but you are not doing it in proper shape. And rounding the back also is not good. You are not really engaging your core muscles. Just go straight like this. Squeeze your glutes and head straight ahead. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Remember, when you are doing your planks, it's not really necessary to go like for longer period in a plank, because when you go in a longer period, you try to compensate with the shape. Some people tend to round their back, some people tend to bend their back, like their abs go like lower to the ground, and also they don't focus on the breathing. So it's very important to focus on your breathing while you are doing that plank. And to start with today, with the animal walk, I will start with some basic animal walk which you can do. And those animal walks, as you can see, I'm engaging every part of my body. I'm engaging my hands, my legs, my core. So if you are someone who wants to start getting strong, the animal walks are really good at engaging all the muscles of your body. Because remember that to get fit, it's not just by doing some bicep curls, tricep curls, or just a little bit of bench press. That's not going to help you get fit. To help get fit, you have to work out the whole body, and especially this region to here. It's very important. It's very important to get that energy from the base, which is the like the chakra, the mudra, the mula chakra, which is the base of the energy. The energy has to travel all the way up through all those chakras which are located along the spine, and then you will be like a blissful person. So let me start with my basic animal walk. First one, I will start with the bear walk, which I've already shown in the video, but I prefer to show it again because the bear walk is really a good one, and it's fairly easy. And to start with, you just have to go in this position like a baby first, and then make sure your hands, they are straight, like in a straight line, and they are not too far from your shoulder joints. They are just under the shoulder joints. And then your knees, if someone is really bad, like really stiff, they can start with the knees down, so they can go like this. So you always remember that bear walk use like antagonistic like this. If you use the right hand to move forward, you use the left leg first. So right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg, right hand, left leg. So you, I'll show it again. Start like in the position of a baby. Go left hand, right hand, left leg. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit bad with right and left. And then left hand, right leg, right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg, right hand, left leg. So now, once you get a little bit comfortable, then you can raise your knee above the ground. So your knee should not be touching the ground. You just do this. Like, see my toes, they're pointing, like they're pointed towards the ground, and my knees, they are not high like this, they're just this much. So I do it. Right hand, left leg, left leg, left hand, right leg, right hand, left leg, left hand, right. And just watch me, like when I move my hand forward, I'm engaging this core to move my body forward like this, and then left, right, left, left, right, left. So I do it again. right, left, left, right, 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 right, left, left, right. And if the bear walk has two variations. If you cannot do like your core is like horizontal to the ground, you can bend your core like a hill, like I'll show you. So you can, for easy steps, sit down like this in a squat and then put both your hands down, but remember your toes should be pointing. Your feet should not be lying flat on the ground. So now I do right, left, left, right, 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 right, left. Turn around, do the same. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. And you can see that in this position where your core is in a curve, if you are not comfortable to keep your legs straight, you can bend it a little bit, but still you are engaging your core. And once you get comfortable, then you can get the leg straight like this, and then you go right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So this was the bear walk, and now I go and do something else. This is called the horse walk. The horse walk, as you can see, a horse is very elegant. They walk like straight, tall, and with elegance. And to get into the position of a horse, go like this. Make sure your knees do not go beyond the toes. It is just like it's behind it. Then sit down like you're trying to sit down on a chair, like engage those glutes, sitting down, and then right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. You will see that when I do the horse walk, I'm keeping my core straight. I'm not waving my core like this. I'm keeping this straight. So when I keep this straight, I'm engaging this ab. I'm engaging the pelvis. So I'm like this. The objective is not to go fast. Take all your time to go like at a slow pace, engaging all your muscles, and do it with proper shape. This is for the horse walk, and the horse walk is very good for the glutes, and many people don't realize that it is very important to work out the glutes, because the glutes is the biggest muscle in your body. So if you capitalize on the biggest muscle of your body, so you have a bigger engine. So you have a bigger engine to run, to do all your mobility that you do in your daily activities, and also to burn maximum calories, preventing you from accumulating body fat. So very important to activate those glutes. The next one is the bunny hop. So you all have seen a bunny, how cute they are, and the ears like they are pointed in the air, and they will hop like this. Like, make sure you are landing your feet flat on the ground when you hop, otherwise you can get injury. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the bunny hop. Bunny hop is very effective because you are using that core to lift you and move to the next step. So if you haven't caught it properly, just watch me again. Go down in a squatting position, hands like you're closing your ears, preventing the wind from getting into your ears, and then from here, imagine there is an apple over there and you're trying to catch it, and you're just, but there is water here. You can't walk through the water. You have to jump to go over there. So you just do this, and then you watch. And if you want to go backward also, you do this. That's simple. The next one is a lizard crawl. So I guess most of you have seen a lizard, and you have seen how lizard crawls, how like alligators crawl, how reptiles crawl. So they are basically lying flat on a surface, on a tree or whatever, and they are like this. So to start with, you can go flat on the ground, and then you start with the right leg, and then you take this hand to move your body forward. So but you cannot like put your stomach on the ground. The stomach should be like lying horizontal, but